Hello, welcome to the eSchool English vocabulary practice. You will learn new vocabulary, improve your listening and reading skills in English. Now, let's get started. How do you feel today? Happy, happy. Joyful, joyful. Sleepy, sleepy. Sick, sick. Excited, excited. Bored, bored. Angry, angry. Shy, shy. Lonely, lonely. Thirsty, thirsty. Hungry, hungry. Optimistic, optimistic. Sad or upset, sad or upset. Tired, tired, tired. Skeptical, skeptical. Jealous, jealous. Confused, confused. Confident, confident. Bad, bad. Hurt, hurt. Worried, worried. Frightened, frightened. Shocked, shocked. Proud, proud. Amused, amused. Surprised, surprised. Sneezing, sneezing. Thoughtful, thoughtful. Headache, headache. Sweating, sweating. Yawning, yawning. Smiling, smiling. Blowing kiss, blowing kiss. Distressed, distressed. Depressed, depressed. Disappointed, disappointed. Celebrating, celebrating. Determined, determined. Stressed, stressed. Making kiss face, making kiss face. Intense expression, intense expression. Relaxed, relaxed. Frustrated, frustrated. Pensive, pensive. Brave, brave. Unhappy, unhappy. Lovesick, lovesick. Scared, scared. Curious, curious. Blowing hearts, blowing hearts. Injured, injured. After learning the feeling vocabularies, how do you feel today? Please let me know in the comment. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.